Hello everyone. In this video, I will show you how to use your Zilch card in a physical store using your phone. First, open the Zilch app on your device, find your Zilch card and tap View. You will see two options, online and in-store. Select in-store to activate your card for physical payments. This step is important because it tells Zilch that you are about to make a purchase in a shop. Next, you need to add your Zilch card to your phone's digital wallet. On iPhone, use Apple Wallet. On Android, use Google Wallet or Samsung Wallet. Inside the Zilch app, scroll to the section that says Add to Wallet and follow the prompts on your screen. Once added, your Zilch card will appear alongside your other payment cards and can be used for tap-to-pay transactions. Now you are ready to pay in a store. When you are at the checkout, open your phone's wallet app, choose your Zilch card, and hold your phone near the contactless terminal. Wait a few seconds for the payment to go through. Once approved, you'll see a confirmation on the screen, just like any regular card payment. Before paying, always check your Zilch balance and payment option. You can choose between Pay Now or Pay in 4 installments. Make sure you have enough available credit and that the correct option is selected for your purchase. Thanks for watching.